Hey everybody, you guys voted to see my doll haul, so here it is. I have quite a few things to show you, so let's get started. So the first box is going to be this Barbie Fun Fixin' Stove Set. This is bag. They got some great stuff right here. It'd be great to collect all of these little mini items. So this is back from, let's see, 1997, y'all. This is pretty cool. The kitchen set was $10 if I'm not mistaken. Might have been $8, but I think it was $10. Next big item is Wrinkle in Time doll. This was only $20. Can you guys believe that? This doll was only $20. It usually retails for $50, but I got it for $20. So Disney's Wrinkle in Time, this is Witch. So I thought that was a great find for 20 bucks. Okay, the next item that we have is this 1/6 scale Arlene Ness motorcycle. This was a great find for me. Because I had been looking for one of these Harley Davidsons. So when I saw this and it was only for $15, I quickly just grabbed it. And the next big item that we have came into this box. It says Masters Universe, but it's really not. He just was able to put it in the box for me, which was great. And if you take it out, there we go. It's this really, really nice Hollywood style vanity that comes with a little stoop. I think it's so nice. However, I wish that it came with some drawers, but I am gonna alter it and I am gonna put some full drawers here, maybe 3 of them, just to give them that Hollywood style look. And I'll probably paint it, give it a fresh coat of paint. I think it'll look great on set. Then this next item here from the 2017 Barbie convention in Houston. They were asking $45 for it, but I was able to bring it down to $35. I guess it's supposed to represent, you know, space off, and considering the convention was held in Houston, and Houston has a space center here, I guess that's it. This is able to come off the cushion. I do like it without the cushion, only because you have a doll. When you fit the doll in there, she fits in there so nice. She's really tucked in there and she doesn't have any cushion on her, but for me, I think without the cushions, it fits better. Let me show you what it looks like with the cushion. She doesn't quite fit in there with the cushion. And if I take the cushion out, see here, see how she fits in there all the way? Like you can't really see her, which is how it's supposed to fit. And the chair does swivel. Just see, the chair does swivel around. But either way, I think this is a great find for $35. I'm sure everybody that went to the convention got it for free. I think this will look great in Barbie's apartment. Those are all my big items. So now we're gonna get started on some of the clothing. I found lots of great clothing at this doll show. It was absolutely ridiculous the amount of good sales that I got here. We're gonna start off with these loose ones. I think this is like a overcoat, like one of those 1950s like overcoat style. This was like $1, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. It's just some pair of sweatpants. Barbie always needs some sweat. This old dress. This dress right here, I absolutely love this dress. I don't know why, don't ask me why. It just reminds me of a Western field dress and I just love the color. I don't know, I just really like it. Then I found this beautiful dress. This to me reminds of prom. Maybe Barbie will wear it because it's pink. And then this was probably one of my favorite finds right here. A Disney collector's coat. I am guessing that this is from 101 Dalmatians. This is Cruella de Vil's coat.
Next, we have these loose-fitting clothes that were in bags, and the first one was a fashion royalty corset set. Then we have this little black fringed dress. I found this next jacket for just $2. Now, it was made by Tressie, and before I didn't even know who Tressie was. So I went ahead and took some time and looked it up and found out that Tressie was a doll line from the 1960s, 70s. Tressie was trademarked in 1963 as a doll with hair that grows by the American Character Toy Company of New York. Next, I found this little petticoat. I'm not sure where it's from, and it seems like it's missing a pocket, but I think it's a very adorable little petticoat, and it does fit the original Stacy doll. And this coat was only $1. I was so excited when I found this gorgeous set right here. It's a velvet pink dress and an overcoat. It is a Barbie collector's label, and I'm not sure who or where it's from. I tried it on the Fashionista Barbie, but as you can see, it was way too big. So then I decided to go ahead and try it on my curvy doll, and it fit. So because it didn't fit the Fashionista and it did fit the curvy, I wasn't exactly sure if it was a Barbie dress because I did find it next to a jean bin. So your guess is good as mine. So if you guys know where or who this gorgeous outfit is from, please comment down below and let me know. But at least for right now, my curvy doll has a beautiful, gorgeous gown and a beautiful velvet pink overcoat. Next, I found a bag of miscellaneous goodies. It's just a good old-fashioned lot with a whole bunch of different types of clothing inside. This bag had some old school clothes for Skipper, Barbie, and it only cost me $5. This cutie right here I found in a bin, and she was $5, and I thought she had the cutest face, and I loved her outfit. I loved everything about her, so I just went ahead and grabbed her. I'm not sure who she is, so if you guys know who she is, please let me know. This cutie right here I also found in the bin, and she was $3, and as soon as I saw her, I had to grab her. Not only does she have the cutest face, but that outfit is just banging. I am in love with this outfit. You just cannot find something like that anymore. These are the sealed package outfits. The first one is the Lucy Goes to Paris. The second one is the Smasheroo Barbie outfit. I'm loving that yellow jacket. The next one is Silken Flame. This is a nice pajama set with fuzzy slippers. A dress for $1, a dress for $2, and a dress for another $2. Next, we have this Ken jacket. I paid $5 for this, but I thought it was worth it. You guys let me know. A vintage Time for Tennis Ken set, and just a variety of different Ken outfits. The prices on these outfits range from $2 to $5. Next, we have these little lot bags of Kelly dolls. These are always fun to find. And I also found a lot of Kelly doll accessories. Both these bags came up to a total of $4. Some more accessory fun finds, from 50 cents shoes to 50 cents Pocahontas accessories to skates to tea sets. Found these cute miniature Cabbage Patch dolls for my dolls. So I saved the best for last, guys. I found this cute little barbecue that used to be sold in Target. My Froggy Stuff actually did a little fun find on it, and it was at Target for $3, but I got it at the doll show for $1. And I think I can hack it. And I'm so excited about it because it's made out of metal. So if you guys don't mind staying with me a little longer, I think I'm going to go ahead and hack this little barbecue. I'm so excited. Okay, that's it for the haul, guys. I spent approximately $200 on all this stuff. I would love to hear if you guys think that was a good deal or not for all the stuff that I got. I thought it was a great deal, but you know, I'm just a doll fanatic. All that shopping has left me and the dolls hungry. So let's get to hacking, y'all. First thing I want to do is figure out where I want my ventilation holes. So I am going to drill 2 holes at the top and 4 holes on the bottom. To my little kiddos watching this, please get your parents' permission and your parents' help if you want to go ahead and try this. And the same thing is going to go with the cooking. Guys, please don't blame me if you set your house on fire, okay? Totally have a fire extinguisher next to you, and just be mindful, and please, my kiddos, have a parent help you out. Okay, so next I got this wire barbecued mesh from the dollar store for $1, and what I'm going to do is I am going to trace the diameter of the barbecue and cut it out, and then I am going to go ahead and do another one a bit smaller for the bottom of the barbecue. So once we have the 2 pieces, the smaller one goes at the bottom, and that is what's going to hold your fire breaks or charcoal, whatever you call them. And the top grill is what's going to hold your food. Okay, let's get the grilling. So the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and add our fire bricks at the base of the barbecue. Light her up, and you just have to make sure all your fire bricks or charcoal is nice and evenly lit. Once your fire is good to go, you can go ahead and put the grill top back on there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and season our meat. I am using meat tenderizer. Some Goya seasoning, some roasted garlic powder, and a tad bit of salt to season my steak and my kebabs. For my vegetables, I am cutting some carrots, broccoli, and potatoes to make my vegetable medley to go with my steak. Miniature cooking is not as easy as it looks, y'all, but it sure is a lot of fun. So I'd love to know, do you guys do miniature cooking at home? And do you guys enjoy watching these miniature cooking videos? Next time, I think I'll just have the dolls cook the food, and I'll just sit back and wait for them to go ahead and feed me. I think that'll be a whole lot better, them cooking the food. That way I don't have to do all the work. I'll be seasoning my vegetables with Goya seasoning and roasted garlic powder. Let your body move, and I would love to know if you guys want to see more of these videos, because I have quite a few recipes I would like to try out in miniature, and one of them being Caribbean cooking. Yum. Y'all see that smoke coming from the barbecue? That's the best part ever. Look at that meat sizzle. Doesn't that just look delicious? Time to prepare the plates. Y'all, don't let the camera fool you, okay? This little vegetable packet is hot. Look at the steam coming from there. Okay, now that our plates are ready, let's see if we can go find a victim to taste test our miniature barbecue. Sanaya's been voluntold to do a taste test for us.
taste like ribs? Well, that's a good thing. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next episode of Real Dolls of Plastic Wood, episode 4, will premiere on Friday, March 15th. So make sure you guys get caught up with episode 3 right here. And make sure you subscribe to our channel right here for more great content. Follow us on Instagram at Salty Monkey Productions. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!